Up next we have the pentatonic scale. So pentatonic scale only has 5 notes, hence the name penta, which means 5. There are 2 types of pentatonic scales, the major and the minor pentatonic scales, and these scales are very important for bass players to understand because they are basically the foundation of solos, of melodies, and a whole bunch of good stuff. So let's break down how we can play the major pentatonic scale on one string. I'll start on the A string, the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the C note. So the pattern for the major pentatonic scale goes as follows: whole, whole, whole half, whole, whole half. So only 5 notes. So starting from the 3rd fret of the A string, I go whole, whole, whole half, whole, whole half. Similarly, I can also play this scale across multiple strings. So starting on the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the C note, I can just go like this. And I play the major pentatonic scale across multiple strings. Now this scale is great for improvising, it's great for soloing, and it's definitely a scale that you should understand.